Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you view desktop site on iPhone. So to do that, at first just go to your Safari. Now into your Safari, in the bottom here you can see there is a google.com, and in the left side there is a capital and a small a. You can just click on that a, and after that here you can see the third option is request desktop site. Just click on request desktop site, and here you can see the desktop mode is on. Now you can just do anything in this desktop mode, just like searching anything, and after searching anything you can see the answer will be in desktop site. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.